Okay, these notes are on selection sort. Selection sort takes an arbitrary array and puts it in an ordered form. The first thing selection sort does is it goes through the array and finds the smallest value. And it then checks the value that shares an index with the pass-through that the algorithm is currently going through. So initially that pass-through will be 0, and then it will iterate by 1 until you get to the end of the array. So on the first pass-through, or the 0th pass-through, you're going to compare that value at index 0 with the lowest value you found, and if it is greater than the lowest value you found, then you're going to want to swap it. Then you want to do that for each index of the array. Each pass-through corresponds to an index of the array. So for example, if you have the array 41, 72, 3 at pass-through 0 and value which isn't determined yet, we can go through the entire array and ask ourselves, what is the smallest value? And in this case, it's 1. So now, is the value at the index of our pass-through, or 4, greater than or less than 1? It's greater than 1, so we swap. So now we have 14, 72, 3. Then we go through again. Pass-through 1, value is not determined. We go through the rest of the array, and we ask what is the lowest value. It's 2, which is also less than 4. So now we have 12, 74, 3. Pass-through 2. We compare our lowest value of 3 to 7. 7 is our value at index 2, and we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. If you do this for the rest of the indexes, then the array will guaranteed to be sorted. Now, we know this is sorted just because we can count, but the computer would have to go through the entire thing.